Welcome back to City Hot on top of the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. Every weekday from 10 to 11 with a carry topic where they come out smoke inside Obodo, Nigeria. Stay concerned, everybody, and we discuss them here so that everybody go fit chook mouth for inside the matter. What will they talk about today? Now the acceptance speech, that is the talk when General Muhammadu Buhari talk after he collects a receipt from INEC Oga to show say truly naim win the 2015 general elections inside Nigeria to go sit down on top of the Oga Presido chair.
Yes, and another important thing as part of acceptance speech, yes, you get that way where in talk where we say I can't look and can't say yes, I don't see the sign of democracy. I don't see the sign of democracy for this man. The way people they see him, no be waiting in be because he don't show some good example going by in acceptance speech and things where he talk there. A typical example now say you will be Nigerian, say you go do it, you go feel voice your opinion without fear or reprisal or victimization. Say you go feel come and talk am as it be for body, talk your mind, talk am. The same freedom of speech where our current president don't give Nigerians that leverage to say yes, but now men express themselves, men talk that way na feel say they bad, for na woman way na feel say they bad. So the same kind of freedom, naim Oga Buhari don't extend to Nigerians right now. Say yes. Make na talk within day in our mind. Nobody go victimize now. Nobody go kick against now. And to show you say yes, he is indeed living that democratic this way we talk about.
True. And he even also talk and say based on some things where people don't come talk say Oga Buhari, you get comma, you get K leg. He be like say you get bow leg. He be like say you do this, you do that. He say yes, he hear all those things. He see him. But say all the things when we say he don't experience for this life, all the kind of sense when he don't gather since they born him, say the thing reach to use comot any problem for this country. And if he truly in leg no straight or stand chin to stand for ground, say he no go come out to come represent in party, say he won't rule over this country or become president of this country to lead us to greater things. You get another thing when he do, when he also touch people's hearts. He extend what they call the hand of fellowship to Oga Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. He talk and say, by the action when Oga Goodluck Ebele Jonathan do, say, okay, Jega, conduct elections, make Nigeria decide who they want. And he can call them again say, as the Nigerians, now what the Nigerians want, make we continue like this. Say, he respect Oga Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. And say, he no get any problem with them. People when not begin, they go down and they say, if you like saying, go come begin, they do bad mind, say, I will deal with you. He say, he no get that plan.
He no harbor any ill will against anybody. Wait till they try to tell us now. Say apart from say he no get anything with say he don't even you know how they describe Oga Jonah now. They describe Oga Jonah as a great leader, as a great man. We don't do it. We don't show example we supposed to follow. You understand? Well, because say, okay, apart from Oga Jonah, I know they harbor anything against anybody. I don't carry anything for mine against anybody. So make we do it, make we collectively they work together. And if I say yes, you go feel contribute to my government, yes. Me now come, make we join hands together, make sure say this government will move on to where we're supposed to move and reach.
Very, very true. And in control, shout out, give the APC. Say, what will they see today? Now the collective resolve and effort of people who believe, say, now like this, we want to make the country go so that everybody go feel enjoy from them and they can't join together. Even when it be like say that they hear mosquito sound, even when it be like say electric, they shock them. They say no, they go there together so that Nigerians go really get what they want. Finally, for the shout out when they intro shout out give religious leaders.
Yes.
Because themselves play better role.
Of course, no, every religious leader play role. I mean, role when I mean role, I don't even mean say yes, maybe they this thing. At least the fact say churches, mosque, everything where if you say you practice, come out at your own quiet time and for your own collective and this when I gather as a group. Now they pray to ensure say this election, say it go free and fair. No begging, nothing go happen. People will fast, like somebody like me. I know for how long will I fast.
You know fast, who could be no call your lie. Who could be no call your lie.
You enter my mind to know whether I fast or not.
Who they warm soup every morning for corridor? Why you go come here and talk say you fast? Which fast you fast?
Yeah, they live together to know whether they want soup.
None of us when they do night vigil, know the kind of night vigil.
Hey, night vigil. Now your eyes see they very clear, brightful like this. If they for write all over your face, say yes, you go through night vigil.
You don't know what they write for Bible. Say if you do night vigil, if you do fast, if you do all these things.
And now those are they fast for self-election.
Who they warm soup every morning for corridor? Who they warm soup every morning for corridor?
If I warm soup now crime.
Why you go they warm soup when they fast?
Why I go chop in the night after my fast?
Oh, you can't they warm am for money. You know go down cold. Why you go they warm? Who come? You know they like give Nigerians.
Nigerians see me so wahala. Why person like you go they tackle me say, okay, me I fast. I take me your own concern.
Me, I see you the warm soup every early morning. How you take fast? Those of us when do night vigil, we never even come
here. You don't do any night vigil.
How you tell us I don't do any night vigil? How you tell us I don't do night vigil?
Because my domot not far from your domot.
How your domot too far from my domot?
My domot too far. I always see they come out, go toilet, go do it, go use toilet once in a while for midnight.
No, you don't know say my room get soundproof.
No, they tell me
that one. You don't know
say
my room get soundproof.
Soundproof waiting.
Oh, you think I go to pray like Pharisee? They shout. You think I go to shout? No be for my heart, they pray. No be silent prayer, they pray. No be silent prayer.
Night vigil.
You think I go to pray with loudspeaker? They do night vigil. You fasting. They warm. You resemble who feel fast. You dey fast, your cheek they swear. You dey warm soup every morning. I go dey pass corridor. You go dey warm soup every morning. Okay, after you.
I don't know. Steak. What be that? Which kind of nose you get to eat? Take notes at the listen. Okay. Maybe. First you go to cook, you go to take notes, the tracer. Who they cook? Who they cook?
After you warm soup, make we can't talk to. You go expose yourself, give Nigerians.
You go expose yourself, give Nigerians too.
After you warm the soup finish, you can't put am for and your fasting still there.
And they do that one.
You know they do am.
And they do am. And they warm my food. Once I don't warm my soup, I'll carry am quietly, go drop am for free. Do I supposed to put am?
Oh, you warm soup, drop am for fridge.
And why I go test soup I don't cook?
Nigerians, can you see?
Nigerians, can you see? He said in the keep night vigil. So is it
Nigerians,
una
dey see wetin I dey talk since. Nkubi, you don't go talk true now.
See, I take concern you.
You don't go talk true now.
I fast. He come.
Okay, you don't do. You fast. Me, I do night vigil.
Oga Igo. Good morning.
Hey, Oga Shuti, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Igo.
Oga Okubi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Igo.
I greet you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, you know say Ukubi. Oga Shukudi, you need a warm soup, you need a microwave soup. Now you the warm soup. You understand? I listen to you today. I listen to you live today.
Thank you very much.
I commend Buhari for the speech.
Yes.
Everything and the way good luck after the defeat is good. Then for those PDP people, they want to go court, go do things. They waste their time. They don't. Maybe they just accept her. Maybe
okay, go. This one they come out from your mouth. Nice one, nice one.
No, maybe they accept her. Maybe they take her like that.
Yes.
It don't happen. You get me? Sir. But we for the Niger data we dey vex for good luck because he not do anything for us, yeah.
Hey, don't they confess?
Oga Igo, remember say the president constituency now everywhere for Nigeria. So you know when they talk say una for Niger Delta. Now our president, we believe say okay our
we
president.
Wait.
Hello?
Do they hear you?
I believe what I say. No, we they talk say we for this side, he not do that is something. We not say not do, but he not do something. But we not the first for her. As him be president, now president of everybody.
Yes.
You they get me. I not to say now president for one side, but we accept the defeat. Say yes.
Okay.
Say Buhari defeat her, hands down. So make it not talk anything. Make it not carry any case go court. Say this or they are wasting their time. They waste their time.
Thank you very much, Agaigo.
Yeah, but we continue to the reason waiting talk, you know, from the religious leaders, in thank the traditional rulers. Then they can begin to thank some people who play very important role. But before we thank those ones, maybe we take Femi. Femi, they call us from Oshogbo. Oga Femi, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Femi.
Ukuvi.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I don't know how I go greet you, sir, for Gankubi.
Greet me anyhow you want to greet me.
Make I greet you for Yoruba.
Anyone, Igbo, Yoruba, English, anyone.
Okay. Oku Ajayi.
You dey say hello. You dey say hello.
Angbo inside. Angbo yẹn máa sọ̀rọ̀ lọ. Angbo.
This Okunbi. This Ukuvi, you know, say you try, we know, say you try.
Thank
you
you very
now.
much.
If you say that this Ogachuku will win you, hey, you know, please sit down for that place.
No. Oga Femi, now we win the election.
We know them.
Oga Femi, now we win the election.
It's not become victory for all Nigerians.
It's our win. It's our win.
If you say that you win, Ogachukudi. If you say that you win, I know you.
No. That's a fallacious statement.
This one not be financial statement.
Wait.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much,
The thing where I want you for is make I tell you something.
Yes.
This Nigeria, we don't unite now.
Yes.
As Oga Buhari they talk yesterday, the thing where they talk, me too, I just the street, say yes, I'm in Nigeria. I think you understand.
Yes.
I beg. All these things when they carry from 1999, they come 2015. Make you stop everything. We go. You say this one are Yoruba, this one are Hausa, this one are Igbo. Let's unite in Nigeria. I beg, because this election now, I see some Igbo man vote for Buhari, see Hausa man vote for Jonathan for some place. So that is election.
Yes.
That is politics. I beg. When we unite, God will bless Nigeria.
Amen. God will bless Nigeria.
Thank you very much,
Oga
Femi.
For that last.
Yes, Oga Muhammadu Buhari also thanks the international community.
Yes,
No,
of course. No. In fact, if not for any of that thing, at least the commitment where international relations don't show to this election to make sure say look, make sure say this election go free and fair. But before we go continue, make we quickly collect this call from Emmanuel. Emmanuel, they call us from Wari. Oga Emmanuel, good morning.
Oga Chikuri, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Emmanuel.
Good morning.
Oga Nkuvi, good morning.
Good morning,
I greet you now, Wella.
Yes, we greet you too.
We thank God for everything that happened here. But at the long run, make we ourselves as Nigerians open our eyes to see.
Yeah.
Because whether you like it or not, the Nigerian system and politicians in favor. Irrespective of which party we did it or not. If they're not fishing some of the old system where they are not see the change you. Like our senators, they are take-home grants, all those money. If you compare to the common man, waiting they make from government is not the same. So those are some things they're supposed to not be say you come say you know victimize anybody or anything. Nigeria need to go victimize people.
Yeah.
I did talk here. I know say fine, I know vote Buhari, but Nigeria need who will take some very, very hard decisions to make the country better.
Yes.
Whether we like it or not. So we will not say because of peace, then peace within the political class, then they will just they play us, they go like that. So maybe we open our eye to see the change. If the change don't favor with the people, then let's forget it. Not be just to construct road, why they'll see they carry a huge amount of money they go out. Those things should be corrected. So I still congratulate Buhari. Then I congratulate Jonathan, President Jonathan. He's a big man. He's a strong man. Not be everybody if you do this kind of election where you most see to stop. So thank you. That's all I have to say.
Thank you very much, Emmanuel. In fact, your contribution to this thing gel well. Thank you very much. See, briefly, make we look at Emmanuel talk. Emmanuel has stated some very, very sensitive issue. We say, sincerely, waiting Nigerians could expect or would they look forward to say, okay, a government will be say, where go they transparent, both to Nigerians and to themselves. Say, okay, say over time, we don't they see politicians say, in the end, they will make up promises, but in the end, not themselves in their favor. Then they even spread out the development to all Nigerians.
True.
You understand? So, waiting Emmanuel talk now, they very, very important. And I also hope that our leaders, they watch to also pick from them, to also make sure that they work based on waiting in the talk. Quickly, maybe we'll collect this call from Polycarp. Polycarp, they call us from Enugu. Oga Polycarp.
Hello, good morning.
Oga Polycarp.
Good morning, Kobe.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Chibodi.
Good morning, Oga Polycarp.
I'm congratulating Buhari for winning the election.
Thank you very much.
Now you're smiling, Kobe.
I should now.
Want to win lottery. But the victory for the whole Nigeria, not for him alone, or you.
Yes,
and,
yes.
People where you support. This is no longer, we just like Brazil.
Exactly.
Because Brazil, no, they say they will lose the World Cup in their own home soil. So as they will lose them, everybody just take it like with a pinch of salt. So Nigeria is our own. Just as we used to say, we play for peace. I like his speech. His speech is very, very good. And he's very, very considerate to everybody. Just when people want to apply to go to court, let them just go down and just go and rest. Let's move on. Let not waste that time. They even say no to go to court. In a special way, I'm congratulating Jega.
Yes.
Even the time everybody was messing himself up in that place, he just kept cool like ice water. Until after he finished making that noise, then he sat down and said that nobody can do anything. Then the guy took ice water voice, come to dress him down. So he should have ashamed of himself any day he look at that thing.
Yes.
So I thank God, Nigeria is for all of us. We continue to move on.
Thank you
But
very much.
no matter who won the election, Nigeria won.
Yes,
Thank
Nigeria
you,
won.
you all, and you continue doing a good job.
Thank you very much.
Excuse me. The time when we talk, say, Chukudi resemble Buhari or Kobe. None of you resemble him. So don't ever bring that one inside.
Oga Polycarp, thank you very much. You don't consent to the matter. Quickly, from what Emmanuel and Oga Polycarp don't talk, Oga's chook mouth for inside his speech. After all the thanks when he can give, he can address the cocoa of the matter. And the cocoa of the matter, we divide them into 4. Number 1, he talk about the fact, say, the problem when we say don't come the northern part of this our country. When we say some kind bad mind and Jaguda people enter inside the northeast, collect local government for our country, he can't talk one thing when touch me. He say, these bad mind people, these Jaguda people, these wicked people, then go feel the force of the collective will of Nigerians.
Collective will
of Nigerians.
This is not say one particular
na their problem.
It don't become our responsibility. Because even before now, the problem, the whole killings, Nigerians at large, they affect. Because nobody, they don't spare anybody for those killings what they do.
Very true.
So the same way where they done this, now the same way we will collectively do it, launch the same attack to make sure say we will pursue them completely come out from our country, Nigeria. So now waiting they there. Exactly. I mean, a very good speech, a very good statement where you make. And then another way you mentioned. And that's it.
Unkubi, as we don't collectively talk, say we go pursue Boko Haram. Me and you go collectively enter break.
Okay.
When we enter this break, come back, we'll collectively continue waiting.
Anyhow, since we dey on that collectively
we dey come
manner.
Continue to discuss waiting General Muhammadu Buhari retire talk for inside in acceptance speech. And we've been they talk about the bad mind people, the Jaguda Boko Haram people when we say enter our country, come on they cause confusion. In don't talk and say they go feel the force of our collective will. And that collective will, if we go break down now for PG and say all of us as one country, we go look them as bad people, and all of us as one country go pursue them, come out for inside our Obodo, Nigeria.
And apart from it, he also mentioned something about collectively addressing and attacking the issue of corruption.
He make I introduce them before you call the talker. He talk say after he talk about that terrorism, he talk say he won't even talk about one problem when past terrorism. People come begin to look which problem past terrorism? He can't talk say corruption.
That is this one say corruption. Okay, if he talk say yes, so say terrorism, say Boko Haram, now in capital letter, but it just appear, but corruption, you can't make it, you can't enlarge them in capital letter, can't make it bold. What I mean bold, not even all this bold, bold when you say just strong, can't enlarge them big, see the start I call corruption.
He don't
no be Boko Haram, See the thickness.
You don't know what even for.
Hey.
They don't break them down. They say for primary school, if class captain writes your name inside noisemaker, you can say remove money, I'll give you biscuits.
Corruption.
Corruption.
Hey.
Corruption.
Biscuit, corruption.
For example, now, you now.
You.
No, may I use you? No,
we don't go, let us not go back to that me you example.
I won't use you.
On this same platform, we say we don't get understanding, we don't understand ourselves, we don't get peace. No, take me make any example.
Now, very good example.
Make her they hear you.
Thank you very much. But before I use that, I'm going to take okay from Calabar. Oga, okay, good morning, sir.
Oga, okay, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Chukudi.
Good morning, Oga, okay.
Good morning, Mr. Nkobi.
Yes.
How are they?
We dey fine.
Una just a clear relationship this morning.
We need
now,
that's a unity way. Oga Buhari take talk.
You know, what if first talk go say no they favor anybody, so Mona no just start.
Now our papa now.
Now our papa.
Now our papa.
Victory. No be only una victory, na whole Nigerian victory.
Yes,
thank you.
I make my own contribution.
Okay.
First of all, I want to thank our first lady. I think take stimulating husband also. Can't thank the incoming first lady.
Yes.
That one is number one. Then secondly, I also want to thank Oga Buhari for his own speech about the whole Nigeria and for everybody. Say no they favor anybody, even in family where you come from. Say I think we'll take favor another family and I think we'll also favor his own family. Say everybody now one for Nigeria. Say also you know we even look say good luck, do this, do that, saying go probably good luck or do anything. Say if good luck you even bring good idea, give and go also pull up. I thank Buhari for that speech again. For PDP trying to say that they go court. Then when I do process they follow, no bad if they want go court. But since good luck come out in own phone, type call Oga Buhari say, CEO, you don't win. The thing go at once. I don't see a situation whereby they should be wasting their time. So that's
Oga, okay, we understand what you talk, and we also
good. Buhari now don't talk everything when go do. I think go take work. I pray that in cabinet or so-called people will go come there, no go do or
something else,
you know, bias in mind.
Yes.
When they do it, no day in mind. So now my own contribution, I'd always they pray, say, this our country, Nigeria, you know, go spoil because Nigeria of Africa. We all go put hands together, make sure say Nigeria move ahead.
Thank you very much, Oga, okay. Thank you very, very much. And then still that way they ask for, okay, fine. We don't get new president, we go come in very soon, May 29. And then just as Oga, we don't talk, say, if the new president, make sure say do it. Say people where you go work with, make people we say we get the same ambition with them. We say no, we say people we say, okay, I want to take this one and take commend you, I want to take this one and take compensate you for your contribution. If you bring that one, you get a CV. But make you look around and say, okay, now this person go bring development, now this person go help develop our country. So that is what we should be looking at for. We got another caller, Obasi. Obasi, they call us from Sokoto. Oga Obasi, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, Oga Obasi.
Hello.
Hello.
Nkubi.
Yes, Oga Obasi.
Nkubi, I congratulate you.
Thank you very much, Oga Obasi.
I congratulate Chukudi also.
Yes,
thank you very much, Oga Obasi.
We thank the people of Nigeria. And we thank you for the role you have played there.
Thank you very much, sir.
Now, I want to say, advise the people of Nigeria. You understand? I say I'm telling you to advise the people of Nigeria. The people of Nigeria and the PDP people that this war called the election, it has been fought and won. You understand? Maybe they no go, they talk, say they no like what happen. That one no good. If a team loses in a war and the captain says, I surrender, the followers should hands down. There's no point. They didn't play their role very well. What did they do when the election was going on? How did they defend their master? You understand? So since they failed to fight gallantly, they should surrender. Whether the election was mad with rigging, they don't have mouth to contest anything now. Let us forge ahead under Buhari. You understand what we're saying?
Yes, we do.
We don't want to hear anybody wait and say this election, they rig them. Even if it was rigged, why didn't you rig your side? So let us accept what has happened and forge ahead
Thank you very much, Oga Obasi. You don't make the point, and we don't hear them. When me and Nkubi call Oga Presido and the president-elect, we go tell them all these things when you don't tell us so. We dey always talk and say Nigeria and our country, you know, go spoil. Make all of us join our hands together to move our country forward. Until we come back tomorrow with another Ugbonge topic when we go discuss on top of Ask the Odds. My name is Ezugu Chukwudi.
And my own name is Nkubi. Till tomorrow.
Una bye-bye.